Hey there, it's Heather, creator of the Persona Effect. Today I'm sharing with you the DNA assessment tool, the starting point for building your business's core foundations, who you are, what you stand for, and why it matters. Now, this tool helps you get 100% clearer on your business DNA so that you can build stronger messaging, create more authentic offers, and attract aligned customers with ease. And here's the thing, this is even more important today because in the age of AI, if you're not careful, you end up abdicating your true voice and blending into all that generic noise. You know, that bland, boring beige marketing that gets totally lost. Now, before we dive into the tool itself, I want you to understand something really important. Whether you sell a product, a service, or a coaching program, there's a proven structure, almost like a staircase, that makes all your marketing work the right way. It's not some hidden secret, it's actually hiding in plain sight. But the reality is, most businesses skip steps. They try to reinvent the wheel or jump straight to activities that don't move the needle. So this is the staircase. And when you get the order right, when you build the true foundations first, step 1 through to 5, your marketing doesn't just improve, it compounds. You adapt faster, you pivot smarter, and you reach your goals without the struggle. So this is the same roadmap that I used to build a 7-figure agency, multiple successful businesses across service, manufacturing, and retail, and online. So it works in every setting, in every kind of sector. And it's also what I've taught to thousands of entrepreneurs worldwide. Most business owners focus all their energy on the top step, marketing activities. So we're talking like marketing, socials, offers. The real magic, it happens behind the scenes in the unseen foundations. And this staircase mirrors the 5-step roadmap that I actually share in the Persona Effect book. And today, the tool that you're about to access is a key part of that journey. So here's your business DNA check-in. So this has been designed for you so that it's really easy to use, but it's incredibly powerful, especially if you take a little time to work through it carefully. So at the top here, you'll see that I'm actually saying it's a 10-minute reflection exercise to reconnect with your true business essence. And I've also put like a quick start guide here, how to use this as a check-in to see how to work through the document. So basically, choose a quiet 10-minute window away from distractions. So turn off your phone, make sure you're not going to be interrupted. Also, if you answer it as honestly as you can, don't overthink it. Usually the best answers come to us when we write down the very first thing that comes into our heads. And then circle one pillar that feels out of sync. So when you've done the document, rather than go into complete overwhelm, stop, look at one particular pillar that really draws you and you think, wow, that's the one that is most out of sync right now. And that is your starting point. Remember, you don't need to fix everything. Alignment begins with noticing first, and that's the very first thing to do. We've got the introduction here as well as we work through the document. This is more than just a quiz. It is a guided reflection to help you spot subtle misalignments. Creative imprinting, places where your business identity may have been diluted. It's about 10 minutes, as I said, in length. The tool is designed to bring you back to your core essence of your brand, your voice, the people, your purpose, so that your business can grow in the right direction for the right reasons. In this document itself, you're going to explore 4 key pillars. Your original vision that you had when you first started your business, your brand voice, your ideal buyers, and your business structure. Now, obviously, this is a 10-minute exercise. We've got to be under no illusion here. This is not a huge deep dive into your business, but what it will give you is it's going to give you that surface level, that high level, or let's put it another way, a 30,000-foot view on your business where you can go, oh, okay, I'm noticing that. As I said, when you work through this document, if you can be as honest as possible, be very kind to yourself. The most important thing to do is to listen to what your business is trying to tell you. You know, this is a reflection exercise where you will look at your answers and you will identify where there are gaps and misalignment. This is really the strategy meeting soul work. So I'm not going to go through every single one of these questions, but you can see that they're multiple choice. You're going to answer never, rarely, sometimes, often, constantly. And when we get down to the bottom, we have like a linear scale of how aligned do you feel on a a scale of 1 to 10. And then at the end of each one of these sections, what I've done for you is put like a mini reflection box in so that you don't have to go scroll through the document again to kind of find your answers and then tally it all up. So at the end of this section, you just tally your score up and you actually put a reflection, what you noticed at the end of this section. And so every section then is just really easy to go back to. And then this is a final reflection bit. I've put here a final reflection. If your business could whisper one truth to you right now, what would it say? By completing this business DNA checklist, this assessment, you've actually started that process of really becoming aware of your business and what's really going on. And the whole purpose, as I said, of this particular document is to see how off course you are from that original business that you created with all that power and passion and excitement. How far have you drifted off course from that core of what you started? So I hope this document is helpful for you, and let's jump back again. Now, if you're someone who's already thinking, wow, this is powerful, but I'd love to go deeper, I want to let you know about something I've created for you to make it really easy. You see, I've put together a persona marketing starter kit. It's a set of powerful guided tools to help you connect emotionally with your ideal buyers and your brand persona, so that every piece of your marketing that you create feels aligned, human, and magnetic. Inside the starter kit, you'll find 2 powerful guided meditations, a full instruction guide, and a debrief worksheet to help you capture all those emotional insights that you can use immediately. And it's just £47. And you're going to find all the details and the link right below this video if you want to grab it. Either way, I'm so excited that you're here, and I want you to dive into your free resource now, start taking action, and I can't wait to see what you build from all of this.